guys, it's Mark here, and today I have the... wait, I found it. Realme 2 Pro! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I need a knife. I'll be back. Ta-da! I have a knife now. So, I'm gonna do some unboxing. I mean, like a short unboxing. I mean, just to make it quick. Okay, let's listen to that plastic. Okay. Woo! I'm so excited! Oh my god! Okay, this shouldn't be uploaded. Okay, I'm being very nice to the box. I don't know why. Okay, actually no. You know what? I want to keep the plastic. Hello. The one that I have here is a 6 gigabytes of storage. No, 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. Oh my god! Hello! Okay, we have here... oh! Okay. We have here a clear case and some user manual, guide, and well, stuff. That is great. I mean, like, you don't find like that. Okay, and a SIM ejector. And to the phone. Oh my god, I got the blue one. Oh, look. Let's listen to the plastic. Oh wait, is it where? I mean, like, it's not that satisfying, but okay. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Yay! Okay, let's check what else is inside the box. A charging brick and also a micro USB cable. Okay, this charging brick is a 5V2A charging brick, so you don't really get a fast charging here. But it's okay. It's not really a deal breaker. So basically that's it for the unboxing experience. I just love to see how beautiful this phone is. Stay tuned for more. Oh wait, it's not working. Okay. Okay. This. Okay. That's it guys. Catch you guys later. Bye!